And to be able to do this question, number 45, you need to understand what is a arithmetic sequence. So arithmetic sequence is a sequence where there is a constant number being added or subtracted in subsequent terms. Therefore, reminding you that the gap between each data is constant. Okay? So if the gap between each data is constant, there are so many things in statistics that will not change, such as the range, such as the SD, and also the variance. These things would not change because these are values that talks about the spread of the data. So if the spread of the data is the same, because the gap between each data is the same, the spread is the same, so the values would not change. Again, it's the range, the SD, and the variance. So in this case, they're asking us for values that x1 is the median, and y1 is the range, and the z1 is the variance. Now, as I said already, because the gap between each data is the same, I don't expect the range and the variance to change. So y1 should be the same as y2, and z1 should also be the same as z2. So in this case, option 2 is correct, option 3 is wrong. So actually, with these two options, I have only one thing to talk about, that actually the option available for this paper, it's only and only B. However, if you look at number 1, because it's an arithmetic sequence, they're saying that, oh, actually the median is gonna be greater, but it's not the case because we are not sure whether it's a increasing series or a decreasing series, because if the numbers are getting bigger and bigger, obviously the median is going to be bigger. But if the data is getting smaller and smaller, then the median is going to be smaller. So therefore, we don't have enough information to talk about the median. So therefore, number 1 cannot be considered. So there's only one answer available, which is the B option.